Hi everyone, bonjour tout le monde. We'll have an activity on greetings. Remember, we had our lesson on greetings. We learned how to say some few words for greetings in French. Now we're going to practice. I think you all know this. Who wants to be a millionaire? You're going to have one question with 4 answers. You just have to pick one, the correct one. Number 1, what is the French for how are you? Ça va bien? Ça va mal? Comment ça va? Ça va. What is the correct answer? It's comment ça va? Okay. The next question, number 2. What is the French for I am fine? Ça va bien? Ça va mal? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Just 2 seconds and then I'll say the answer. Ça va bien. 16,000 pounds. Well done. The next one. What is the French for hello? Ça va bien? Bonjour. Bonjour. Merci. Ça va mal. Which one do you think is correct? Bonjour. 32,000. Wow. Number 4. What is the French for goodbye? Au retour. Au revoir. Bonjour. Comment? Which one is correct? Au revoir. It's not au retour. You have to mind your spelling. The next one. So you got 64,000. Wow. Next one, number 5. What is the French for thank you? Bonjour, merci, merci, j'habite à. Please check your spelling. Merci with I at the end, not with Y. Okay, you scored 100,000 pounds. Number 6. What is hello? How are you in French? How do you say that? Bonjour, comment? Je m'appelle. Bonjour, comment ça va? Bonjour, au revoir. 2 seconds. Bonjour, comment ça va? 125,000. Wow. Number 7. What is the French for thank you, goodbye? Merci, au revoir, bonjour, merci, bonjour, j'habite à. It is merci, au revoir, well done, 250,000. Number 8. What is thank you, hello, in French? How do you say thank you and hello in French? 4. 6. Bonjour. Merci. Au revoir. Merci. Bonjour. 2 seconds. Merci. Bonjour. 500,000. Number 9. What is I am fine, thank you in French? How do we say I am fine, thank you in French? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va ma, merci. Comment ça? Comment ça va, merci. Comment, merci. You have to check your spelling. Ça va bien, merci. Well done. 600,000. Okay, 600,000 pounds. Number 10. What is I am not fine in French? How do you say I am not fine in French? Ça va mal, merci. Comment ça va? Ça va mal. Ça va bien mal. Pick the correct one. Ça va mal. Well done. 750,000 pounds. A lot of money. Okay. Number 11. What is hello, thank you in French? How do you say hello, thank you in French? Bonjour, merci. Au revoir, merci. Bonjour, merci. Au revoir. You have to check your spelling. It is bonjour, merci. Merci with I at the end, not with Y. Okay. 900,000. The last question, question number 12. What is I'm in the middle in French? How do you say I'm in the middle? Is it comme ci, comme ça? Comme ci, comme? Comment ça va? Au revoir. What is the correct answer? 2 seconds. It is comme ci, comme ça. Well done. £1,000,000. Well done. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you then. That's it at the end. I will see you on another activity. Thank you. See you. Bye.